Hey everyone, Tony from ShootingStarSVG back, and today I'm going to talk to y'all about how to utilize patterns in Inkscape. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. In previous videos, I have talked about how to create seamless patterns in Inkscape, but I didn't really go over how to utilize them. So I do want to go over that today, so that way y'all know how to use them within the program. And I will also throw this up in the Inkscape course for everybody to check out. But for now, I'm going to head over to my computer screen and we will get started.
And hit the likes button and subscribe.
Hit the like and subscribe. Matilda's back there doing a cool puzzle. Okay, so on my computer screen, you can see that I have this really cool mermaid scale pattern with the glitter, and I'm going to show y'all how to create that as well. But what you want to do with the pattern selected, this is a seamless pattern, okay? You would go to Object, Pattern, Objects to Pattern, okay? And you can see on the right hand side here that it is going to show you a pattern fill, all right? So I'm just going to go ahead and move this to the side.
And Mom gets a lot, and my Tanya gets a lot of likes and subscribes.
Thank you, Matilda. I gotta finish now. Now that you have your pattern fill, if you have something that you want to fill, and I'm just going to draw a circle, you would go ahead and draw your item out, okay? And then you're going to go to fill, and you can see all these little boxes up here. Click on pattern, and you can actually select the pattern that you just did. So you can see that this is pretty big, right? You might want to scale this down. So you would go to Edit Nodes. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky, because you can see that there's this node here. Sometimes you have to really scroll out to find the other one. So you can see that the square is here, and this is going to resize it. And there's an X up here, and this is going to move it. So if you hold your control key down, you can make sure that it is uniform in nature, either on the horizontal or vertical if you're holding down control. So make sure when you are resizing that you hold down control, because if you don't, you're going to squish your pattern. I'm not holding down control right now, and you see how I'm squishing that, okay? But so what you're going to want to do is you're just going to hold control down and you're going to drag it, and then it's going to resize the image. Now, since this is a seamless pattern, I don't have to worry so much about moving it around, but if you're using something that's not seamless, you want to make sure that they're not going to see those lines on there as you resize it, so you would just move it around with the X. And again, the circle node here is just that, okay, to rotate. So that is how you use patterns in a nutshell, okay? You would just take the pattern, you go to Object, Pattern, Objects to Pattern. It's going to load that into the pattern fill, okay? And then you can fill your objects with that pattern and then resize utilizing the Nodes tool. So hopefully that will help y'all utilize the patterns in Inkscape. It's not something that I do frequently, but since I've been working on a lot of sublimation lately, I've been using it quite a bit. So if y'all have any questions about how to utilize patterns in Inkscape, feel free to drop a comment in the comments box below, or head on over to the Facebook group, where we have created a community of like-minded individuals looking to grow their semi-passive income with digital downloads. And as always, if you got something out of this video, please go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. If you need anything at all, don't hesitate to reach out. ShootingStarSVG, signing out.